Hello everyone, and here, the little Frenchie in Big Texas. Welcome to my channel. So today is mid-February, beautiful sunny day in Texas as you can see here, and I am in the big city. So not at the ranch, not with the garden, this is the city, but I do have a pretty decent backyard. Very dead as you can see after the cold temperatures we've had. But it is just the right time to think about the garden and start your seed and start planting some of the plants. So what am I going to do today? I just discovered in the kitchen that I forgot some potatoes. Store-bought potatoes. They've been here probably for, I don't know, over a month, maybe 2 months. I'm not too sure. And let me show you what they look like here. That's one of them. It's full of sun, but it's actually kind of green at the top, so they're all seeding. I've never done it, so I don't know if it's gonna grow with store-bought potatoes. They're not organic. They're probably being spread, so I don't know, but I want to try. See, they all have some pretty good eyes and started growing, so I want to try and plant them and see if they grow. So to do so, I am gonna cut them in half, let them dry up a day or two outside dry, and then plant them. And to plant them, what I'm going to use this year, so last year I used the stackable planters to plant quite a few things, and I had not such a great turnout, to be completely honest with you. I think it works great for the herbs and it worked great for my basil, but for others it was so-so, and they're pretty fragile and thin. Quality is not the best. I have 3 dogs. They run around, they knocked them out, some broke, so it was not the best turnout, as I said. Basil I think was lucky, and basil grows really nicely anyway, so I had tons of basil, which is good, but for the rest it was so-so. I still have some rosemary here, but it was not the best. So anyway, it's not gonna work for the potatoes. So for the potato, I still doing Dollar Tree, $1.25, and I got these pretty large buckets here, plastic. So I'm gonna fill them up with soil and put probably 2 or 3 potatoes in each, and let's see if it works. The only thing is that they are not, as you see, there's no holes, so what I'm gonna do is puncture them, do my own holes, and to do that, what I used last year, because it's pretty fragile, this plastic. I'm afraid, you know, if you start actually I'm just afraid it's gonna crack. So what I used last year on the stackable planters, same here, I used either a large needle or a nail, and I just heat it up on my stove, on the gas, for maybe 30 seconds, a minute, until it's really hot, and then it just completely goes through. It's very quick, a second in, out, and you got a hole, and that does not break the plastic. So I'm gonna do the same here, do 3 holes, probably use 2 or 3 buckets, and plant these potatoes. So first I'm gonna cut them, as I said, cut them because well, yeah, that one is just gonna be half, but I have 2 bags of potatoes. I just showed you one, but the second bag is about the same. Look at this. Yeah, and it's starting, you've got more eyes here, there, everywhere. So I'm gonna cut them in half, let them dry. So when you cut them in half, try to avoid the eyes, of course, and let them dry for a day or 2, like this. So you've got 2 good starters here. You've got a few eyes there that have not grown yet, but are there, so maybe they'll grow. I'm gonna put them here in my bucket, let them dry, and in 2 days I will plant them, and maybe we'll get a turnout. I have no clue. It's not, this experience is not costing me much, given the $1.25 buckets and just some soil. So we'll try it out, and in the meantime I'm gonna start some good seeds to be able to plant very soon. And for the seeds, I have some garden raised beds that I bought this year for the garden here, just because of the dogs. I cannot plant directly in the ground. It's going to be destroyed because they just run around. So squirrel, neighbors, it's non-stop. So I want to protect a bit the garden. Use some raised beds. And I will do an update video to show you the beds, because I got 2 different kinds, and the planting and what I'm gonna grow, which is pretty much what I eat. I'm not gonna grow because it's limited space, so I'm gonna really concentrate on what I like and what grows rather well, like the tomatoes, for instance. So keep you posted here. Look out for more updates on the garden in the big city. Thank you all guys for watching. Alright, seed starting. First one here.
I made this one and this one.
Okay. Teamwork here. What are we gonna plant
I don't know.
first? So I have a bunch of seeds here from burpees. So I want to try with some sunflowers, mammoth. And I have actually 2 kinds. I have also the super snack hybrid. I'm gonna try. I have some tomatoes, more tomatoes, and more tomatoes. So what else are we gonna plant? My favorite, some zucchini, eggplant, and for the dessert, watermelon and some strawberries. Let's try it out. Here's our initial seed starter for the week. Here, it's actually kind of hard to read. I believe these are the strawberries. We have some zucchinis, eggplants, and lots of tomatoes in here. And here I have some zucchinis and some watermelon in there. So that's what we planted together with my daughter today. Beautiful almost summer day in Texas. We're gonna take them back in for the night, but it's 80 right now, so I'm doing good. Really like this. As you can see, they can come out really easily. These ones I bought off Amazon. They're kind of plastic cheap. I'm not sure I'm gonna reuse them, but I got 10 of them for maybe $20, so it wasn't bad. I will put the link in the description below if you're interested. There are plenties to choose from here on Amazon. And here are my trees from Fast Growing Trees. So this one had bugs. I think they are coming back. I'm hoping. But I really think they are. Look at this here. So it's growing back. You've got some little leaves. I think the bugs are gone, so they are looking better. Same for this one here, look. So I'm hoping I put them back inside for the cold weather. Now they're back out. I hope I won't have to change in and out again and they can stay outside. This one is the goji berry and it's doing really nice. Look at that. Pretty nice, right? All these growing leaves. I took it back in as well because it got down to freezing, so it went back in. And here are my 2 raspberries. So as you can see, not the same. This one is the second one I got. It's doing really good. I even have some flowers starting right there. Can you see? And I have it like here. Flowers. So doing really good. And here is the one that I thought was dead, and it's not dead, but in addition it's been eaten by bugs. So I'm thinking here the bugs are gone, I hope, and I hope it's gonna come back, but it's not doing great. So let's just wait and see on that one. It's had a difficult start of life, to say the least, but this one here is doing wonderful. So at least 1 out of 2. Very nice goji, and let's hope these 2 come back full strength, but it's looking okay. I'm not sure I'm gonna get cherries this year, but at least it's not dead. So here's the quick update on my fruit trees from Fast Growing Trees.